intro this video right now, but I just want to say 7:58 right now. I'm awake. I'm in business clothes. Ugh, that's disgusting. Welcome to a week in my life. Probably gonna start this off in a few hours. I have a presentation this morning, so meeting with my group. The presentation itself's at 9:30, but we're gonna practice until then, and we've been practicing yesterday and all that, so we're good to go. I just want to get a couple of rounds of practice in before. I'm wearing this top. I'll show you guys more outfit details after. Actually, I can't right now. Just want to say hi and welcome back to my channel. If you're new, subscribe, and let's get into this week in my life. I'm about to go present. Feeling good, but definitely a little nervous. And wish me luck.
Megan just killed her comm presentation, so everybody gas her up.
Gas me up, apparently. I don't know. We went first, so feeling pretty good about that. It went as well as I could have asked, so that's amazing. Great vibes for this Monday, and this week is really just all downhill from there. I'm realizing I never did an intro to this video. Really, I did like a rushed one this morning because I was all stressed, but I just wanted to pop in and say hello. Long time no video. Holy crap, it's been pretty much a month probably by the time I upload this, maybe a little bit more. Wow, a lot has changed. My last video is my Kayo house tour. I haven't vlogged in over a month, which is insane to me, and that's because life's been really busy. Honestly, not so even much that life has been super like busy, but I've just really been enjoying spending time with my friends and trying new things and doing school stuff. Obviously, I've been honestly having such a great semester, which is funny because you guys like haven't seen any of it really. You saw like the beginning part, some big life updates coming at you guys. Some awesome, crazy, amazing things have happened. I had an internship interview, actually 2 for the same company, and I actually have an internship now, which is so exciting, and just such a weight has been lifted off my shoulders. I'm interning at a full service marketing firm, and I'm going to be a digital marketing intern. I'm really excited for this summer, and actually that's virtual, which is honestly kind of exciting because 1, I'm saving so much money by not having to live in DC, and 2, I can live wherever this summer. The internship starts 2 days after my lease here in Charlottesville for my apartment. Obviously, I live in Richmond too with my family, so I can go there this summer. I can go to Charlottesville. I can go to VB, visit my friends. I like have journaled about this a lot lately and really spent a lot of time thinking about it, but I think that like my positive energy lately has really kind of fed into more positive things happening. And not to say that my life is perfect, because it's absolutely not. I don't know, I just feel like that's kind of really fed off of itself lately. What else has happened? I had my board meeting presentation to the UVA board. That was like 2 weeks back maybe. Wow, it went like so well, and that like was a really kind of big win for me. And I also just as of Friday got into the promo class, which is so huge. I've always wanted to join that class since I've come to UVA. So excited about that for next year. I'm actually doing that with my friend Sam, who I went to Virginia Beach with. Like, it's, I feel like everything in my life right now is just kind of aligning. It's really satisfying, I feel like, for me to see like everything that I've worked so hard for like actually come to fruition. All that to say, I'm doing well. How are you guys doing? Let me know in the comments. I definitely think with like spring coming up, it's going to be a lot like happier than I was when it was so cold for so long. That's really it. I think I have to grocery shop today because I literally, when I say I have no food, I have like 1 egg, so I'm gonna eat that actually for like lunch.
So now we're going to your bedroom. Don't you think we're moving too soon?
Alright guys, here's a quick little OOTD. I just got this shirt actually a couple weeks ago from a boutique in Richmond when we all went. Actually, that was like over a month ago, so that was a long time. Anyways, it's from Lulu, I think. I love how it's like really big and has the v-neck, oversized. You can pair this with like jeans and be like business casual, or you can dress it up. I wore it today during my presentation, and on top I'm just wearing my Barber jacket because it's a little chilly out today. It was like 30 something when I woke up, and it's been like 70 the whole week, so that's really weird. And I'm wearing this brand new necklace that I got from Finch, which is a boutique on the corner here. I got these earrings from Nordstrom Rack. These earrings, the back ones, are from Amazon. These are new, they're from Walmart. Just got the full fresh fit on. Got the line leggings. Those aren't very new, they're actually quite old, but I've been obsessed with these Veja sneakers. So comfy. Once you break them in though, I had to wear them about 20 times for that. Wanted to dress up a little for the Monday, you know, wanted to get over those vibes, but going grocery shopping now should be too good. Then I'm playing tennis, then I have office hours. Like, good day. Alright guys, very good vibes on the grocery shopping today. I spent a collective 13 minutes in Trader Joe's and Wegmans, so that's fantastic. Way quicker than usual because Liv and I like to Liv and I usually dilly-dally. We look around like it's an adventure always, but sometimes I don't have time for that. So this was good. For today, I left not even an hour ago and I've been to both my stores. I spent way less money than usual because I really made sure to plan my meals this week and only buy exactly what I needed. So good on me for that. I've really been trying to not lately, I haven't really been good at this. I'm trying to eat healthier and just really limit my indulging, I guess is the right word. Life's all about balance and I realize that, but I need to uphold the 80% part of the 80-20 rule. You know what I mean? I just played it so poorly, but what else is new? Chloe's just posing in the background. Too good. Hi everyone, good morning. I look very tired right now, which I am, but for no reason really. I think yesterday just really stressed me out, waking up early, doing the presentation, all that. Today is actually going to be a very, very, very busy day. Tuesdays usually are busy regardless, and I have 2 assignments, 2 or 3, that I have to get done, one by 12 today, so I'm actually gonna do it during my class. Whoops. Tuesdays are really meeting heavy. I have 2 classes back to back, basically from 9:30 to 1:45. Then I have a meeting at 3:30 at UVA with David, and then at 5 I have an exec meeting, and then usually comm meetings. For some reason I have Tuesday nights. They just always seem to pop up. Kind of just boom, boom, boom. I'm gonna have to find time to do those 2 assignments. I have class I have class right now, so I'm gonna go. Just finished up with my class and everyone finished their presentations. They did really well. I just finished up some readings for my class for tomorrow, so that feels really good. Still need to do the assignment, but I'm definitely ahead of schedule, and I got that other assignment done as well, so I'm feeling pretty good about that. Something super fun that I'm doing, I've obviously been off the YouTube grind lately. I am doing a super fun video where I'm getting all my friends in the house to film a day in their life, and everyone has a different day, and it might have to be 2 videos. I haven't even gotten the clips from Megan. She did hers 2 days ago, and then Shannon's doing it today. I think Mary did it yesterday, so it's gonna be such a fun video, but I'm gonna get started editing that probably today if I have time. It's probably coming out either next week or the week after, just because I think people are still filming it. Let me know down below if you guys are excited for that. Also, just let me know how you're doing. I feel like I haven't connected with you guys in so long, and they make my day. So, with that little sentimental note, I'm gonna get finishing up on this assignment, and then I have class in 12 minutes, so good stuff. Hello, coming at you from my bed. It's currently 4:54. I've just been sitting here. I've actually been editing both my week in my life and my friends. I've been going back and forth. Been editing Megan's. It's freaking hilarious. You have to check it out. Tomorrow is Claire Bosworth's birthday. She's currently gone, meaning I'm thinking tonight Macon and I are gonna go to either the Party Starts Here or whatever party store there is now. We're gonna get balloons so that we can decorate Claire's side of the room tomorrow after her test. Tomorrow's her 21st. So exciting. We did some celebrating this weekend. We're doing more tomorrow and this weekend and just all the stuff. So it's gonna be a really good weekend. It's almost time for my meeting though, so I'm gonna hop on there and I'll catch up with y'all after.
Yeah. Welcome to the Dollar Tree. $1.
Good morning, y'all. Just finished up my first class of the day and I was just not mentally there. Drinking lots of water last night was really fun, but yeah, so today is Wednesday. It's Claire's birthday today. It's her 21st. So exciting. Right now I have a free period from now till 12:30, but then after that I'm going to get tested. I'm FaceTime with Ashley. I'm going to office hours. And tonight I'm dropping off a basket to Natasha at her dorm, which now thinking about it, I don't know where her dorm is. I should ask Claire that, but that's really fun. Hope you guys are doing great. Happy St. Patrick's Day. Don't go too crazy today. And yeah, let's get our day fully started.
Did you like that? There's a hole in it. You're gonna have a lot of class.
Birthdays are always better than class, so.
Come on. So not
Here.
loving that.
So not loving
not loving this.
Thinking, I don't care. spend the summer in this beach house.
Guys, you are looking at a one spit wonder today. If you knew me a month ago, you know I was in a very dark place with this UVA spit test. It took me 30 minutes to get like 0.5 millimeter of spit, probably because I was severely dehydrated. I like never drink water. Today I think I've had over a hydro flask at least, which is like really big for me, and it's only 2:30, so go off Meg. And I did that all in one go. The key is to pull your spit before you get there. You spit, go. I'm gonna head to Starbucks before I go to WUVA because I just need that extra caffeine. Actually, I don't think I've had coffee today. Oh my god. And then we're gonna head to wooooow.
You can tell them that I've messed up with salmon.
Yeah, Liv did in fact flick my piece of salmon on the ground.
It jumped off the spatula. It was not my fault. It was a lie.
It's a vlogception.
Hey vlog. We're just on a walk.
We'll try to play my part. My lines memorized.
Hello everyone, I'm a bit of a mess today, just so much kind of going on. This morning I had class at 11, so I got up this morning, did a ton of work, knocked out a bunch of assignments, and I only have one more assignment left till the weekend, which is amazing. I had both my classes. I worked on my design for my architecture class. Now I like rushed, ate lunch. I just feel like everything's been very rushed today because I had such a fun time yesterday. That's what happens. Right now I'm about to get going on my Tableau assignment. That's gonna take like 2 hours apparently. Lovely. Probably a lot of b-roll today, very much like on my grind and trying to be focused, but yeah, I just want to update y'all. My hair's so long right now. I'm getting cut tomorrow. I'm going to style it now before I hang out. I have a meeting at 5, which is in like 20 minutes. I finished my huge assignment. It took me 2 hours, like I thought, a little less than that, but just had to put on headphones and just like focus in. So I feel really good that that's done. This one's dirty. After I'm gonna have this meeting, I have no idea how long it's gonna be. I'm hoping just like 30 minutes tops. And then I'm getting ready for tonight. I'm excited to celebrate Claire's birthday. I'm gonna show you guys like what I end up wearing because I actually, oh my gosh. You know the leather jacket that I got for Christmas? So it didn't end up fitting me, but I finally found it again on ASOS. This is from Barney's Originals. So this is it. I'm so obsessed with it. I had to get it a size up for it to fit just across my chest. Thursday afternoons, especially like whenever I get all my work done, like right now I finished all my work for the week except for my one meeting, but that's like already done the work for that, you know? I'm just feeling very accomplished. I'm ready to get my weekend on. I'm just feeling really good. So I'll keep y'all updated and kind of show you around a little bit of tonight.
Into a moment where I'm with you, I just can't focus. I love to hear your crazy theories about conspiracies on TV.
Good morning everyone. I am currently sitting at my desk. It's 11. I have a meeting, or well, it's 10:47. I have a meeting at 11. Today's a really good day. I'm excited. Weather's pretty nice. It's a little chilly. Why do you guys care? I don't know. I'm currently sitting here. I feel very calm right now with my Excel data set, barf, and my data cleaning. Are you kidding me? Today's Friday. I don't have any classes on Friday, so generally they're pretty fun. I try to get work done. Usually doesn't happen, but today's gonna be pretty productive because I have my meeting at 11, maybe another one later today. I have a haircut at 2:30, which I'm so excited about. Oh, and tonight I'm going to a lacrosse game with Liv, maybe Matt. I don't know if he's coming, but really excited. Should be good. In honor of going to the lacrosse game tonight and trying to look fresh, I have been obsessed with, this is the Jergens Sunless Tan, but it's like the mousse. I think it's super natural. I've been doing this weekly, which my other tanners, the other ones that I've tried are these two. This one is the Loving Tan Dark. This is like my all-time fave for an event. This is like dark. This is from Ulta. I'm not really a fan. It was like 12 bucks. The reason I like this one so much is one, because it's a lot lighter, and two, I can like do it during the day and have it develop and have it not be like super intense, and 3, it just like applies really well. So I think it goes on way more flawlessly. This one, I feel like you have to have a little bit more skill. I'm going to shower real quickly, shave, exfoliate, do all that, tan, and then do my work before I go to my haircut. Hey guys, I'm fully tan. I'm gonna set an alarm maybe for like a couple hours from now. I do have to go to the hair salon. I'm going to Ulta. See my girl Ashley. If you know, you know. If you don't, if you're in Charlottesville, you have to go get your haircut by Ashley at Ulta. I am obsessed with her. I'm realizing I'm gonna have to wear sweatpants because I like don't want my tan to mess up. That literally took me like 10 minutes, and I probably shouldn't have done it tonight, to be honest, because there's still a little residual like right around here. So we'll see how it turns out. Should be interesting, but you probably won't even be able to see it under most of my clothes. You'll be able to see it like tomorrow. Now I have like an hour before Liv is dropping my car off to me, and I'm going to Ulta, so I think I'm gonna try and knock out my homework assignment. It could be good. I'm just gonna try and get my work done that Liv and I can go to the lacrosse game tonight. I mean, we are going, so I have to get it done. And I'm also supposed to call Ashley today, so that'll be good. Y'all, holy wow. Literally putting on deodorant because we're running a little bit late, but wow. Let's take a second for my hair right now. Holy, it looks so good. Ashley at Ulta, you already know. If you know, you know. If you don't, I already mentioned earlier. Also, I was there, and of course, like, she knows who I am at this point because Liv and I always come in together. And she's like, oh my god, wait, like, you guys did the video, right? Because I brought up the fact that I had mentioned her in my YouTube video before. The whole freaking Ulta knew who we were. She was like, oh, like, yeah, apparently, like, we're gonna try and, like, we, like, talk to corporate and whatever. And I was like, corporate of Ulta? Like, are you kidding me? That's insane. So, yeah, I feel amazing. I did face framing layers. I did them a little bit shorter than last time. I did them in a middle part, and I just cut off probably like an inch and a half. Let me bring down my hair. You can't really tell because my shirt's black, but it's about here now. It was about here before. I feel really good about like the length. So I'm currently wearing it like a middle part because I like that, but it also looks good when it's to the side. Just gives it a little bit of like texture. But right now I'm gonna wear it in the middle part. I'm getting ready to go to the cross game tonight. I can show you guys what I'm wearing. I'm trying to look cool, but not like I'm trying too hard. I'm gonna do like super quick light makeup and loving the It Cosmetics CC cream, and I actually have 2 of them. One's like a tan shade and one's just like the fair shade. You can kind of see the difference here, but I'm gonna use this. I need to do, guys, like a full updated makeup routine because one, I can do like a full beat start to finish in 5 minutes, which is ridiculous. I like really perfected that over Rush. It looks really good, I feel like. I mean, it's 5 minutes, so like, you know, also not doing my best work right now. I have to blend this out with a beauty blender, otherwise I just feel like it doesn't look as natural. And when I do it with the beauty blender, I just feel like my skin glows a little bit. Can you kind of see that? Like, she's glowing. She's cute. Recently I've been going for like really focusing on the eyes, so I use, depends on the day, usually I like this like Milk mascara, and that like gets my lashes nice and voluminous. I really like to updo the bronzer whenever I'm doing the tan to make sure that everything's nice and blended in. I'm thinking I'm gonna do black aviators, but I'll put these on my head just in case I want to like do a different vibe. Okay. I feel like every camera angle today has just been from here, so sorry about that. Now that it's Friday afternoon though, I feel like that's pretty much complete for this week in my life. I'm literally, I feel like I look very UVA right now. I'm probably gonna get from people about it, but here's my final fit, you guys. I'm just wearing my black Free People top. Let me turn up the exposure a bit so you can see it. My black Free People top looks like this. I'm wearing my Barber, such a classic, because I don't think it's gonna be too cold. I don't think I'm gonna wear these glasses. I think I'm gonna wear my black aviators, but I want to put them in my car so they're on my head so I don't forget. These are really old, from J. Crew, necklace from Finch, earrings are both from Amazon, Lulu lines, they have holes in them, not the best, very comfy. And then of course my Veja sneakers. That's kind of it for this week in my life. I'm probably gonna end it off here because I'm just going there and hanging out with friends tonight. But thank you all so much for watching and sticking through it with me as I took this month-long break. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to subscribe down below because I make new videos about once a week. I have a really exciting one coming up soon. So I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye guys.
All the details start to sink in. I don't care about the